My name is Lieutenant Commander Adam Arndt, call sign Mumbles. I'm an MH-60 Romeo pilot in the United States Navy. I have been flying aircraft for a majority of my career, being stationed in San Diego, Japan, Jacksonville, and now here at Monterey as my first non-flying billet. I am pursuing a master's degree in cyber systems and operations. The name of my thesis research is the feasibility and practical application of the messaging layer security protocol on low-band UHF frequencies. Messaging layer security, or MLS, is a newer protocol that became an internet standard in July of 2023. It has strong data security mechanisms such as forward secrecy and post-compromise security. However, it has much lighter computational and communication requirements. I wanted to test out and assess just how well it could work over low-band UHF frequencies, which are known to have slower data rates. I took a look at some of the processes that I'd experienced in the aircraft throughout my career and how maybe newer cyber security mechanisms could help benefit us. Looking at a way to maybe transfer maintenance data from the aircraft to ground support personnel. I conducted the test in two phases. The first phase was testing the feasibility of MLS over low-band UHF frequencies. I conducted baseline tests of just transmitting it in different operating environments, both on land and over water. For the practical application, I went down to NAS North Island and worked with the HSM squadrons down there to review their data records to see how quickly they were transferring the data from time of acquisition to upload to the ground station, so that you can see just how much more quickly you could transfer the data with the MLS over low-band UHF versus the current manual transfer process. If this method were to be put into practice, we could vastly reduce the amount of time it takes to get maintenance data from the aircraft back to ground support personnel, and therefore they can process it much quicker. And this has direct implications on combat readiness for both the unit and a strike group or the Navy at large.